Hello everyone, my name is Cristian Negulescu. Welcome to another episode of Learn UiPath in 5 minutes. Today we'll talk about continue on error. So we have a lot of activities in UiPath that work with UI. Yeah. So basically you can type something, get data, you click on something, and all these activities you'll see this, they have this continue on error. This continue on error basically tell you if an error occur on the selector, this will go further or will generate an error. Yeah. So by default, when you drag and drop the activity, this will go with this intermediate state. Yeah. So let's see what's happened. So to be able to demonstrate this, I create an activity. I create a robot that will return to me value of cryptos. Yeah. And to be able to show you that this is working, I create a list. So I will return the value of Bitcoin, of DOT, and Ethereum. Yeah, and I will get these values and I will write the values on the screen. So I have set, I let the continue on error default, and let's see what's happened, and let's see how we can avoid this stuff and what will be the advantage of continue. So first we'll go and search for the value of Bitcoin. Then I will say dot value. Dot is from Polkadot. And you see that I don't have the pattern that I have on the system of the Bitcoin. So this one, when it's running, normally will generate a crash. The crash is inside of the selector, yeah? So if I don't have their continue on error, this will generate a crash. To be able to avoid this crash, I can put a try catch, but this is another discussion. So you will see that this I will have a crash. By this crash will be here when I configure, I have this crash, yeah, because it's not able to find that that element. Now, if I will set this on continue on error true, you can see here my system print the output of Bitcoin and then print me the crash. If I will set this on continue on error true, and most important, you are able to set also the milliseconds. So I will say, if you don't find it in 5 seconds, so if you don't find it in 5,000 milliseconds, then go further. So if I run it like this, and I will run it again, I will say Bitcoin value, he extracts the Bitcoin value, he will go dot and he will not find exactly the element for the dot value. And then he will go for Ethereum value and he will extract the Ethereum value. And here, you can see that he displayed the Bitcoin value, he displayed the Ethereum value, and I don't have the dot value. So in this way, very fast, I was able to pass this error inside of the selector. Yeah. Now, if I don't want to do it like this, I can do this in another way. For example, I can make here a try catch. So I would say surround by try catch, and I will analyze what is crashing, and so on. But it depends on the way how my system is working and how I want to be to do the automation. If doesn't matter if I have a problem with the selector and I can continue with the data, I can use this very fast way with continuing error. If I want to analyze what it's happened wrong and I want to check the error and log this error in the future to not happen, I will use the try catch and then I'll analyze the stuff. Yeah. So that's the idea with this continue and error. So this will allow me in a very fast way to be able to avoid and go further of the issues that are coming from not corresponding of the selector. Yeah. But like I said, it depends in the case of how is the automation. Okay? It's something mandatory that that has to do, or if it's not mandatory, I can go further and that's it. Because, for example, if I have a process and I have a click on that stuff, here I'm not able. I mean, click means to go to another page or to do something. That means that means I'm not able to have an unknown decision if it's working or if it's not working. Here, in case of getting the value, if it's not working, that means I don't have a value for that, and that's a problem, and I'll put it on the list and so on. And I go further with my system. So that's the idea with discontinue an error, to be able to avoid errors from selectors and go further and not affect the automation. Thank you very much for watching. As usual, if you like my videos, subscribe to my channel, comment to my videos, and tell me what else you want to see inside of my videos. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. Have a good one. Bye-bye.